皆さん、こんにちは。Hello, I am Hitoshi. Thank you for always coming to my channel, my page. Today's topic is what are the requirements for permission for permanent residence? In accordance with the Immigration Control Act, those who wish to become permanent residents must exhibit good behavior and possesses sufficient assets or skills to earn independent living. The Minister of Justice must determine that granting the applicant permanent residency would be beneficial to Japan in order to obtain the necessary permission. Let us start by explaining the first two requirements outlined by the Immigration Control Act. It should be noted that these requirements are not necessary for spouse and children of a Japanese national, or the spouse or children of a Japanese national, those with permission for permanent residence or special permanent residence. The reasoning behind the more relaxed stance for such foreign residents is that they have already proven that they are rooted in Japanese society by virtue of their circumstances, and to help stabilize their family unit. Exhibit good behavior refers to not being imprisoned with work, imprisoned without work, or levied a fine for violating Japanese laws and regulations, not being placed under probation under the Juvenile Act, and living a life without social criticism in one's daily life. Possesses sufficient assets or skills to earn an independent living refers to not becoming a public burden in daily life and being expected to maintain a stable lifestyle in the future from one's skills or owned assets. This condition will be met if a stable lifestyle can be expected to continue when looking not only at the applicant but the spouse and other members who comprise the family unit. The Minister of Justice must determine that granting the applicant permanent residency would be beneficial to Japan refers to the concept that granting a person permanent residence would be beneficial to Japanese society and Japan's economy. The decision is made by taking into consideration land conditions, the ability for Japanese society to accept foreign nationals, such as trends in population, etc., as a internal and external circumstances that affect immigration control and management. The Minister of Justice has been granted wide discretion in decisions to grant permission for permanent residence. Specific examples include residing as a member of Japanese society for a long period of time, fulfilling public duties to pay taxes, compliance with laws and regulations, and not being a burden to the public. That's all today. Thank you for watching. Bye. またね。